Excuse me, nurse. Where is the toilet?
The toilet is near the inpatient room corridors. Please go straight and turn left.
Is there a separate toilet for men and women?
Yes, the men's toilet is on the left side and the women's toilet is next to it.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Please be careful when walking.
Excuse me, where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is on the right side of the lobby. Please go straight ahead and turn right.
Is it far from Is it far from here?
No, it is very close. It is next to the waiting area.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.